everybody? Today we'll be doing some more prep work on this thing. If you saw the Gambler 500 videos from September, you know that we broke the rear upper control arms, and we actually only made 4 checkpoints in 2 days. But if you didn't see it, there's what happened. It's just a cheap cast metal. So we got the stock ones back in there, and I'm sure they're a lot stronger. But just in case we have a problem with those, but what I want to do is get a second set ready and try and make them a little bit stronger. So I've got this 16th inch steel right here, and I'm going to cut a little strip out, and we're going to box in the center here. But first thing I do is, I'm going to hang that control arm off here and get it cleaned up real nice. Alright, got this all set up, and just using some engine degreaser. Alright, got this thing cleaned up. So just need to cut out a piece of this now. So let's see how much of this we need. There we have that. So now we just trace out our shape here and then grind it down to fit. So there's pretty much our shape. Just a little bit on the corners here, and all this where my thumb's at. Alright, got this thing all grinded down and shaped. And it fits right in there. So now I just gotta grind the paint off these edges, and then we'll see if we can't get it welded up. Alright, that's all ground down, all the paint's off of it. Alright, got my little welding station set up, and I've got the settings to what this says just to start off and see how it does. But like I say every time, I still don't know how to weld, so I have no idea if this is going to work or not. But got everything set up right here. We're just going to, I guess, try and put some tacks through here and see what happens. Alright, well, I'm going to reset this and get around to where I can get all the other sides and stuff, and then I'll show y'all what it looks like when it's done. Alright, finished getting this thing welded. I've still got a lot to learn, but this is better than the last thing that I welded. Got it cleaned up a little bit, but it's definitely stronger now. I'm going to take it over there to the rack and hang it up and put a coat of paint on it. See how it looks. Alright, got this thing all hung up. Definitely Alright, there it is. All painted white. Let that thing dry. Definitely should have used some primer first, but it's alright. No one's ever really going to see it. Just to help keep it from rusting, more or less. Definitely could have done better. Couldn't quite get all the way to the edges. Kept having a problem where it was just like blowing out. Couldn't seem to get that gap filled up. But it's definitely going to be stronger than the stock one. I'll have to go to the pull apart and get another one of these, because this is actually the only extra one I have. That way I can make a matching set, but I'm not going to film that or anything because it'll be the same thing as this. Put this in the car. That way it's with us. I'm going to put it in there so don't lose it in the shop anywhere. Put that right there. But that's going to be all for this one. Just wanted to try that out, see how it's going to work. It seemed to work out pretty good. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next week for another one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.